Gday Team, warm and jigger. Welcome to another rip-roaring episode. Today we're just going to talk about hand skills and how they actually transfer across the entire trade. I'm going to show you a quick video in taking this area out and cleaning it right up. How that transfers over is I'm going to chisel it in the same way that I would actually chisel out timber. So I'll take out certain small chunks at a time, or I'll understand exactly where my chisel's going, or my hammer drill chisel, and it's going to be actually scooping it out just the exact same way that I would if I was doing joinery and carpentry in my workshop, or if I was doing old school lap joins on a frame on a house, a residential house. Watching. So you can see how I was able to chisel that out. I was able to scoop and show this whole area by taking out little bits and pieces at a time. I even used the grinder and I cut out certain sections so we could bear this point, which goes all the way into this stacker, and I was able to trim that out, and then this rest of this remainder came out pretty easy. It's really important that you understand how an apprenticeship and hand skills actually traverse across entire sections of the trade. As a carpenter joiner, my understanding of the entire residential system of building a house is really good due to the fact that I'm able to help and understand all the other different trades if need be. If you've got any questions or queries about how you can really utilise your apprenticeship time to push your hand skills and understand skills in general on site, please flick it over for me and I'll answer it for you best I can whenever I can, including, if need be, showing you some really good examples in the workshop or on the factory floor, or on the site, on the building site as well. Like always, stay on real banana peels, and I'll see you in the suit.